Today I will show you how to connect and calibrate of the conductivity meter. Firstly, let's look at the wiring. Port 19 and 20 are for 220 volts power supply. Port 1 and 4 are for the sensor. Port 1 and 2, 4 and 5 requires short circuit. Port 6 and 7 are for temperature compensation. Please make sure the power is off when wiring. Next, let's check the calibration. Preparing a standard buffer. Put the sensor into the buffer. Gently stirring. Make sure there is no bubble in the buffer. Pressure is C2 setting. Password is 3900. Press enter. Select item 4 for calibration. Press enter. Then sensor is K is equal to 1. Choose 14 setting buffer. Press enter and wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Press enter. Shows the calibration done. Press ESC. Calibration done. Welcome to subscribe.